Oh, hey! You know, during exams, quite often good nutrition slides way down that priority list. But the right food can actually help to energize our system, improve alertness, and sustain us through those long hours of exam study. To further explain why it is so important to eat right during exams, here's Miriam Mullard.
In terms of focus and motivation, it's important that we get enough of the good stuff. So eating a really varied and balanced diet and avoiding things that are really high in saturated fats and high in added sugars. Those can lead to a really high increase in our blood sugars and then leading to our blood sugars to drop again suddenly. So that could cause problems with concentration. So making sure you're well fueled and eating at regular intervals will help keep you motivated and ready to learn. A lot of studies show that regular meals are important to fuel our brains with energy, and the main energy that our brains need is glucose. Bread, cereals, fruits and vegetables, including these at regular times throughout the day, will ensure that we're getting the energy that we need to keep our brains in top condition. If we think about dehydration, that leads to tiredness, lack of concentration, headaches. So we really need to make sure that we're well hydrated by drinking 6 to 8 cups of fluid a day. The best thing is water, reduced fat milk. If you're going to have caffeine, stick to sort of 2 to 3 cups a day. Maximum, I'd say. And energy drinks are not really recommended for hydration purposes. The reason being that they're loaded with caffeine, and some energy drinks contain vitamins and herbal stimulants that can actually be quite detrimental for academic performance. The problem with energy drinks is they can contain a lot of sugar, so about 9 teaspoons of sugar in your Red Bull. Quite apart from the side of what that's doing to your teeth, it's not good for your learning or your concentration. There are kind of 5 components really that I think are important for brain function in general. So one would be those starchy carbohydrates, foods like breads and cereals that will give our brain the energy it needs to get through the exam period. 2 is the protein-rich foods, so like meat, fish, chicken, eggs, and that's important for brain signaling. We need to make sure we're getting enough oily fish. Now, oily fish has been touted as like brain food for thousands of years, and the reason for that is that freshwater fish are full of these omega-3 fatty acids, and these fatty acids are important for mood and sort of our cognitive function. There aren't really any miracle foods that improve or boost brain function. I think the key really is to eat a varied and balanced diet. And it's important we get enough antioxidants, so vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and also things like dark chocolate. These are really important to get the blood flow to the brain.
So remember, drink plenty of water, try your best to have a balanced diet, and everything in moderation.